In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake hoses on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the lug nuts, use a 19mm socket. And remove the wheel. We're going to take this screw out, use an 8mm socket. Take that out. Just take the bracket, slide that off. Using a 13mm line wrench, we're going to loosen up the hose at the caliper. Crack that free. You might want a drain bucket underneath just in case, because you're gonna lose some fluid. Okay, so this is not spinning all the way around. That's okay. Now using an 11mm line wrench, loosen up the brake line right here. That one does spin, so that's good. And before I take that off, we're going to take this clip off here. Using some pliers, just grab this clip. Rock it back and forth. You can also use a straight blade screwdriver. Pry it off, just like that. That's good. Take that line off. You're gonna drip some fluid. Just gonna pop this off. Just gonna put one of the bleeder caps just on the end. That's just gonna slow the fluid down. Make sure you have plenty of fluid in the master cylinder. And I'll take the line off the caliper. Slide that out. And take the new line, get that started. All right, that's good. Take the cap off. Get this lined up. Get that in the bracket correctly. Should be able to twist it so that it sits in there. That's good there. Take that clip. The clip is going to go this way. Line the clip up. Just tap it in. I'll snug that down. Line this bracket up, put the screw in, tighten that down. All right, that's snug. And down below near the caliper, you want to tighten that. And I'm going to use a 15mm line wrench for this one. Snug that down. Now I'm going to torque this to 11 foot-pounds. Now we'll torque this one to 11 foot-pounds. That's good. Now we're going to bleed the brakes. We need to double check the master cylinder reservoir, make sure there's plenty of brake fluid in it. Using a 10mm wrench. Just pop the cap off the bleeder screw. Put that over the bleeder screw, the 10mm wrench, and put the brake hose on top of that, or brake line. Now we're going to have an assistant pump the brake pedal for us. Go ahead and pump it 3 times, and then hold it. And we'll crack it open while they're holding it. Some fluid came out. Close it up again. Go ahead, pump the brake pedal and hold it. Crack it open. A little more fluid. Close it up. Go ahead, pump the brake pedal and hold it. That's good. Close it up again. We'll do it one more time. Go ahead, pump the brake pedal and hold it. And no bubbles. That looks good. Close that up. Take this off. Go ahead, let off on the brake. Just double check, make sure that's closed. And put the cap back on. Now install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Tighten those down. Now we'll torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.